subscribe, and comments down below. By the way, what's between us? A pile of scissors and this thing we ordered. I don't know. And why are you still starting? I still didn't knew this. Okay. By the way, let's start cutting. Okay, I'm gonna cut first. I'm gonna cut this side. First, I need to cut this. Now you can have this. Now and why are you ripping it now? Why? Come on. You get to rip the bubbles. Wait, let me pop the bubbles to make sure it's okay. Okay. Destruction! Okay, I could just use the scissors. Yeah, why did you not even think of that? But it's not working! So, I can just start doing like this, girl. Like this. Oh! Come on. Here. Cut here, Earl. Cut here. Oh, no. Earl, cut like this. Not there, like this. You really don't know how to handle scissors. Something I care about is something I hate. No wonder I cut it. Oh, I just know it's destruction. What is this? The straw. Drink from it, Earl. Drink. Drink from it. Drink from it. Drink from it. So cute! You were so cute. Wait a minute. That's weird. I thought we were. Where is the scissors? Alright. Hold something with that. Then open this. Ah, so squishy. Beautiful. Not what I expected from the picture. The picture looked like so many will come, but in reality, Lord, we ordered 3 of these. Like, we saw the pictures. We ordered 3 of those. It says in the title, 30 pieces. And just minus the 0, now you get 3 pieces. This is ridiculous. Utterly ridiculous. Utterly ridiculous. Yeah. But they're still squishy. Next one is red. I thought it was gonna deliver that cat squishy I saw in the picture. But I think this is a long straw. This is my face. What do I do with this? Yeah. What do I... This is a scam! A scam! That... No wonder why it's so cheap. But I still wasted our money on this. Ridiculous. Look! Why do you even have a dot here and why is your head like tilted? Unlike a picture. Ah! So low quality. And this one, why is it like this? Like, why can't you be like the other duck's bottom? Ridiculous. And you, the eyes. I see it. The eyes. It was supposed to be here. And why is there... What is this? Why do you have a pimple that I can stretch? Hey! This is ridiculous.
Utterly
This was a scam, but this isn't. This is what I saw in the picture.
Really?
Like a straw. Wait. Oh! Wait. This is a straw! Oh! We were so dumb. This was in the picture, but this was not. This was not in the picture we ordered. There were like 30 squishies, it said. But this is a scam. But this one is not. I like it. I like a good G. Gotta stretch all of this. Stretch this. Oh, so satisfying. So satisfying. So loud. How can you place this at each other? Super loud. We're not supposed. Wait. It's during which we ring. Oh, so that's how we can make a ring. Look. I did make a ring. I made a bigger wing. Now let's do my whole coming part. I don't know how to hula hoop. You come with each other. You already know now. I have a halo. No, not this. Not the right color. Yellow. Yeah, perfect halo. We added the ring. Ring around the rosy. It's loud when you pull it, like, make it stretch. It's loud. Okay. Looks like a weapon. From Attack on Titan. When you're too addicted to Attack on Titan, and you want to think something of Lazada, which is so... I'm the Warhammer Titan. I'm an angel! I need the ring. I'm an angel. Look. And look. Noodle! Flexible noodle. Wait. How to bring down your sword. Wait, Ate Pei, can you connect some circles like this and put it on top of my head? No, let's see. Can you and make it a circle and then put it at my head? I want to test something out. Okay. Okay, start making circles. I put it on top of it. Let's see if we have a protection. This is what the money. And it's just like in the picture. But these. At least they're squishies. Stretchable. Hey, Earl. Do you want short or long? Do you want short or long? Long. Long. Do you want short or long? Oh, long? Long. Long, 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 long. 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 I dropped the dino. Oh, so long. Crazy dinosaur on a rampage! I think it's working. What the? I wish I could be. Whoa! Wait, let me put more circles. We need more circles. Guys, what does that look like? You look like a boy that I just met. You look like the type of boy that always tries to act cool. Oh no! And more circles. Now Earl can't see. Don't worry, Earl, I'll add more circles.
Really?
How can I? Oh, right here. I
Still remember the before? We didn't know how to use it.
And then after, we do this. The after part is we do this. Very challenging but worth it. Now, this is where we put circles. This is the circle dinosaur. Offer some circles or else. Good boy. This is the last circle. This is the last circle we need before we show
If you
you
guys
off.
see me smiling, comment down below if I'm smiling.
You are. We can see your mouth.
Oh, come on.
We need to make it down more to make it more challenging. Ah, there. We got all the circles of the world. Let's go show them off. Yeah. Oh, so squishy. Showing up. Oh, a circle fell out. Come on, Earl, go! It popped! Why are you going outside? No!
Yeah. Don't mind those people. Just my cousins.
There, now we got all the circles. Now hop on the bed. Come on. Put your feet up. Let me go push you. Go to the Hello Kitty blanket.
Is this where we are going to end it?
No. We ain't ending this video yet. Long.
Now are we ending it?
Can you see me?
No.
If you can see me, then you won't go far.
Ew.
So you can see me.
Ew.
Hey, don't remove the circles. You need to become popular. So do your pose. Do the model pose.
Not a girl.
Fine, do the circle pose. Where you try to be a circle. Now stand up. Now act like a circle. Act like a circle in front of the viewers. We need this to be our thumbnail. He dropped.
I have to do this. I don't know.
No, don't end the video. You're the precious boy of this YouTube channel, and I'm the precious girl. Very squishy. I'm pitching it so hard, it's so flexible.
I can't see you.
But this is the worst scam.
I can't see you. I think I can't see you. Look.
I definitely did not fart. I definitely did not fart. It's obvious that I don't fart.
Look. Can I see you or not?
Long. Long! Hey, this is like a protection for your head. Long. Long. How am I? Long. Don't talk. Long. Ah! Squishy ambush! Is he deflecting it now? That's it. This guy is invincible. Go get this. Invincible. I even did a triple attack. Triple attack. Wow. Triple attack. We can't defeat this guy. It's obvious. The circles are getting on me. Oh no. You're not Circle Boy anymore. Can I attack you peacefully? Can I touch those? What? Can I have some? I get the blue duck and also the white dinosaur.
I want to get the dinosaur.
It's white and it looks horrible. Because it's a scam. Every scam's look horrible. The smell though. Wait! I think I know how to do this now! So we do this. Where's the perfume? Then... Where's the duck?
Okay, then
Perfume attack.
I can't fit.
It still smells horrible. Hey, why is it now sticky? No squishy has been sticky. Look.
I'm covering the duck because there's a flood.
You know, it can go through the gaps. You have to go like you. Arena. The Battle of the Ducks.
Wait, we're still preparing the arena for tonight's battle. What are we going to battle?
They're going to battle over a duck. Yeah, we're gonna... Okay, ducks battle.
Okay, let us do this arena.
So squishy. Yeah, so squishy. Even perfumes can remove the smell.
Come on! I'm preparing the arena.
Okay, I'm going to squish these with my toes. Ah, so satisfying.
Have you ruined
My
the
mushroom
first
toes.
layer of the arena?
Ah, dinosaur, you're my favorite squishy right now.
One shot.
Don't worry, I'll give you a squishy if the ducks are done now. Here.
The arena of the war.
No, the arena of ducks.
The arena of ducks.
Arena duck shoot!
Hey! You still ruined it! I don't get it.
I just pushed it a little like this. It like did this. Why did you ruin it? You ruined it. This is gonna be the swimming pool of the ducks. While they prepare, they're gonna be swimming. Also, the dinosaur.
Dinosaurs don't swim.
The blue duck has a scar. Low quality squishy. What is the best quality squishy here that has no scars?
The dinosaur.
It's obvious that it is.
The dinosaur.
Preparing the arena. The dinosaur. Don't you think this is a little bit tall?
Dinosaur
Wait,
versus
hold on.
duck.
No, duck versus duck.
Duck dirty duck. Duck dirty duck.
Wait, we need to make this rainbow. Red, orange, blue, I mean, red, orange, yellow, green. So the green is supposed to be. Let's ulit this arena with colors.
Oh, why
wait. Red. Hindi ko ruin. Orange. Yellow. Green. Prepare this blue. Blue. Where's the other blue? There. Now let's get the ducks in. And also the audience will be. Hey, give me the.
No, I
Fine,
want
you can
them.
squish the white dinosaur. So ready, set, start the battle.
Yeah.
The battling.
This is
You guys should
the
look inside.
dinosaur.
Looks very rapid.
Are they even fighting?
They are not even moving, but they are fighting with their mind. Like they're gonna say, "Hey, you are a wall." And another duck says, "Hey, you are a pillow." Then the other duck says, "Hey, you are a t-shirt." And the other duck says, "Hey, you are an illustration board." Okay, I do not know what the ducks are really doing.
Long.
I expect better from the squishies, but these looks like the picture. These things are from the picture. These are fake. Now, Earl, let us rate the squishies and the rainbow arena. Come on, here. You go here. So, what do you rate the squishies? Very
8 out of 10.
What do you rate this?
10 out of 10. Now let me do this.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So relaxing. Dun, 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 dun.
Wait, I think I know how to do a belt.
Guys, come on, my belt.
Hey, hey. Hey, hey.
It seems like we're boarded out.
Yeah, because I'm very disappointed of what this came out. Like, it's supposed to look like a picture, like a cat paw, cat squishy, and other kind of squishies. Not like this. They're even damaged.
Yeah, they're even
Come on, Earl,
damaged.
I need to make the scent more better. Cover them with perfume. Lavender and blue, and in blue, bath and body wash.
Ooh. Wait, that's for body wash.
Nah, this is still perfume. The start came from a bath and body wash.
Body wash? So we can wash our bodies with lavender?
No. It's so sticky that when I added perfume, it turns sticky, but when there's no perfume, it's dry. Like, it's so sticky, it can literally hold a duck.
Wow.
Wait, this is. Can I test this duck out?
Wait, what?
So squishy. What? How can this work? How?
This is my base. This is my base.
Make sure to bath this duck with perfume, and I won't use anymore. Ooh, ooh. You still rate this 8 out of 10 because it's still squishy, right, in the picture?
Yes, super squishy. Wait, I think I know how to.
It's a little dirty. Because I'm washing it with the perfume. I see some like black stuff. Like black dirt.
I think we have to make this into circles and try and hit the squishies.
Well, my pants are wet,
Maybe? I don't know.
Yo! Shock, shock! Yo! Hot dog!
This is still a weapon.
Mix the perfume with the duck.
Still
the same scent.
Wait, I think I
Even
know.
with the perfume.
It doesn't break.
So sticky.
Wait, let me test something. Doesn't break, yeah. Durability is 1 million out of 10.
Look, it's even dirty. So dirty. We'll wash this later. It's a little bit low quality and it's dirty.
I think these are nunchucks. It's just so funny.
Oh, so sticky. If you guys were here and felt the squishy, it would be very sticky. Very sticky. Not lying. Like it felt like this was made out of glue.
Yeah, slime.
I feel like this is like glue but more stretchier and squishier. And it does not like do liquid stuff, but it's sticky alright. Oh, I can make like a blob.
We just do these out.
Oh, look at my finger. You can literally see it.
Sorry, need to do something.
You're a
else.
little trans... Oh, no. Very low quality. But at least they tried their best to get a good looking squishy. Did I take the other squishies? That boy. So where's the blue squishy?
Back.
Where did you put the blue squishy?
I didn't put them.
Where did you put the blue squishy?
Can you check under this? We didn't even try. What do we... Can we test something out with this?
Yeah, maybe later. Time to put the glue! Or perfume!
No, I want to touch.
Here, you can have the yellow dot. Since you already played with the white dinosaur a little bit.
Oh, I almost did it.
Something.
Oh, it almost...
Oh, yeah! So squishy and sticky. The white dinosaur is my favorite. It's obvious, it's cute.
Has great texture.
Yeah. I like the texture when it's... I think it's because of some chemicals used to make this. Maybe like any liquid you spray at this, like it turns sticky. Look, I'm gonna make this disappear.
That's the Mortal Kombat.
See? Look, I'm going to go release it. 3, 2, 1, go. See, it didn't fall. That is why it disappeared. Okay. You saw nothing? Nothing. There was nothing. You saw nothing. You saw nothing.
Wait, we can do
You
that.
kicked your foot at the cabinet. Doesn't it hurt?
I think I know we can do dance moves with this.
Oh!
I hit my foot on the floor. It hurt. It hurt so much. Like to heal my foot.
This squish. So I need to rate this. So it says here, it was sold by Toy World Store. Yeah. Okay. It was delivered by Ninja and shipped through Lazada. This is what we ordered. 10 pieces decompression toy, pop tube telescopic, below sensory stocking toy, color stretch tube, front telescopic tube, vent blah. And this one, this squishies, I'ma read the title, okay? I'ma read. 30 pieces. Models, all different puppet fidget toy, cute mini slow rising squeeze, balsa, soft squishy, sticky animals, kawaii. It says here 30. 30. 3 tens. Pieces of this thingies. This squishies. And what it gave us, you just remove the 0 and then it gave us 3. Super scam. I was so excited when we ordered this on Patreon. April 30. Yeah. We waited so long.
And what literally happened?
And what I got to see. I was so excited of the squishies, but all I got was 3. I was planning on playing with all those 30 squishies. 30 squishies.
And what did
We even ordered like 3 of those, like 3 of this 30 pieces models, all different puppet fidget or blah, blah, slow rising.
just not.
I think it was 1 each. Super disappointing. I don't recommend getting scammed, so goodbye now. I hope you don't get scammed when you order at Lazada. This came from China, okay? Came from China.
Shopping more better.
I don't know.
Shopping's
so goodbye
more better.
now.
They just scammed us. Why did they have to scam us? These toys, before we still didn't knew because we didn't knew. We're not big brain. So I'm thinking this is more better than those squishy toys. Squishy toys are scams. So if we get scammed, go to Shopee instead. It's more better there.
Even though we don't even have the app Shopee.
I think it's more better than Lazada. You can't know. So, I think this is more better than the squishy toys because all we can't do is just delete it. Okay, by the way, goodbye.
Oh, we finally found the blue duck.
Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe,
Find the
comment
yellow
down below.